In your Miradore site, select Configuration Profiles, Add, and from the wizard, choose the platform, select Wallpaper, and click Next. Upload your desired wallpaper, and select the locations the wallpaper will be shown on the device. Then click Next. Give your configuration profile a name, click Create, close the wizard. To deploy your wallpaper, choose the configuration profile from the list, click Deploy, choose the target device, and click Deploy. With Miradore's wallpaper configuration, you can deploy wallpaper images and change the wallpaper of managed Android and iOS devices. Pro tip: it's possible to deny wallpaper modifications by using the appropriate restriction profiles available in Miradore.